This is the MistAway Gen 3 Plus misting system. Every misting system that comes out of the factory from MistAway comes with what's called a finish kit. It doesn't matter if you buy it from us, you buy it from someone else. The finish kit looks like this. And let's go over the items inside that kit. You're going to get a little bag of goodies. You're going to get 25 feet of tubing that will connect the water supply to the system. You can cut that to length as needed. And in this bag of goodies, we've got a water filter that's going to connect to one side of the tubing. And the other side, well, let me just start with that. But it connects to the water supply down here. All right. So that's how you make the water connection to the system. Then when you get over to your hose outlet at your hose connection for your house, there's another adapter. This screws on to your hose bib, and the tubing plugs right in. So that's how you connect the system to the fresh water supply. You'll also get an antenna. This is for the communications. It goes on the outside of the cabinet. Just screws on just like this. You're going to get 2 keys for the lockable cabinet. And you're also going to get a remote. There's a little battery tab that pulls and that activates the battery. And then there is a procedure to mate up the remote to the system. So make sure you follow that procedure. There's a little paper clip that comes with the remote, and that is to insert into this little hole. But read the directions. It can be a little bit tricky, but you can do it. It's not a big deal. This is what's called a plus cap. This snaps onto the insecticide bottle, and an insecticide bottle looks something like this. This is a free 1 gallon double dose bottle that we give with every system we sell. So you fill up your insecticide and you put the cap on. Now be careful because it will strip very easily. So you want to get it snug, but you don't want to over tighten it. Then once it's on good and the cap's on tight over here, turn your insecticide upside down, make sure it doesn't leak. All right? And just wait for a few seconds, make sure it's not dripping. But then you're good to go. Okay, so when you buy a system from us, we give you that free bottle. We also give you a free hose splitter, so you don't have to give up your hose connection to your house. Now this is very handy because when you're connecting your system, you put that adapter on like we were talking before. And now you've got your hose connection and you also have your misting systems connected. The last thing that we've got that comes in the kit, the finished kit, is a little cap that goes over where you got the adjustment port. When you want to adjust the pump, this is the port that you do it through. And this is a little cap that covers that up. You snap that in there and it covers it up real nice. So there you have it. That's the factory finish kit. And I should mention that the instructions for making some of these connections and the remote control are in there in that little bag of goodies. So don't miss that. Up next are the operational features.